I did my summers in Deloitte. So through my summers, then I had kept in touch with my mentor Kalpana and Suraj. And at the time of when the year got over, second year, I had approached them, and I got a pre-placement offer, and that's how I got into Deloitte. My biggest learning would be relationships. That was a big takeaway that I had in there, because what had happened was when I learned about Deloitte through my summers. So when I did my summers, after my summer placement was over, went back to college. When the second year was over, I was hunting for a job. So I decided to contact my mentors at Deloitte, and I said that I'm looking for an offer. So is there any opening? So my immediate mentor said, okay, hang on, I'll ask my seniors and we'll see if anything can be done. So I just got a call from my senior partner in Delhi, and she said, yeah, come over. So I thought, okay, it must be an interview or something, detailed one. So there I went, and she said, so how's it going? And so I said, all good. When can you join? So I was like taken aback. Oh wow, I thought it'll be a technical interview or something. So she's like as soon as possible. So what I learned was that from my summer training days to the interview part, it was the relationship that counted. So it was not just what I had delivered maybe in the technical side. It was something where we had developed some kind of a relationship that led them to taking me into their team. So that was, and I still cherish that. I always thank them for that. That was a big learning for me. There are quite a few actually. My very memorable one was our annual holiday. We'd gone to Shimla, Chel, where we'd gone with our partners, the whole team, seniors, juniors. We went partly by train, partly by taxi. Then the resort was awesome. We had corporate games, treasure hunts, bonfires, dances. Yeah, so it was very memorable. But along with that, there was a lot of even though I was a fresher, I was given an opportunity to go to Egypt for an assignment. So that is also, there was a lot of learning personally, professionally, meeting, working in a new culture, understanding the new culture. So that is very nostalgic. I always cherish those moments that I had gone to Egypt as well. We had the team was very cohesive. There was a lot of camaraderie in our team. It was a very young team. We were around 8 to 10, and there was a lot of freedom and independence. There was not a lot of pressure. Pressure of work was always there on assignments and timelines, but there was a lot of freedom on the working style. So we did not mind, burning the midnight oil and help each other. So yeah, that's something which I've over the years seen, that cohesiveness and camaraderie in a team is something which is very important, and I definitely miss that a lot. I think it was very short. When I was leaving, I was told do not quit. So yeah, so I think that was, in hindsight, quitting within 2 years was definitely not to quit was the best advice I could that time. Deloitte gives you a lot of, I can talk about my team that I was there. There's a lot of freedom for creativity. So there's a lot of openness. With all the pressure of work, we were always encouraged to bring in our own style of working. What I enjoyed in Deloitte was that my job allowed me to do a lot of new work, new assignments, because there were a lot of, Deloitte being such a large organization, it has a varied different sub-divisional work that you can do. Sometimes it's valuation, sometimes it's feasibility reports, sometimes it's restructuring, different industries. So it's very challenging. My advice I would like to give, and I would like to give to the juniors or to the freshers, is that if you're in Deloitte, then stay put, hang on, let it grow on you, give it your best, and I'm sure opportunities will come to grow and grab them.